Dive into the world of vector graphics with our latest Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this session, we'll explore the powerful Dimension tool, a game-changer for precision and accuracy in your designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, join us on a creative journey as we unravel the secrets of the Dimension tool's new features in Adobe Illustrator 2024. From creating dynamic layouts to enhancing your 3D designs, this tutorial has something for everyone. Let's go through the following steps to use the Dimension tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by clicking on the icon where you have a selection of linear, angular, and radial dimensions and options. The main thing to do here is to select the units of measurement. I chose millimeters. You can set this now or later, then set the document units to millimeters. Also set the line, thickness, and color, which you can change later. Open the options and check the box to use Preview Borders. Select a linear dimension on the ruler, then click and drag it, and it can still be rearranged. Do the same on the other side. You can also click the first point and click the second point to add a dimension. Click the corner dimension, click and drag the corner point. Like now, the radial dimension, click on the line to display the radius of the circle, click and drag to display the diameter of the dimensions that have been added automatically to the layer. Lock and unlock the layer to easily select all the dimensions. You can customize it again in the properties. Thank you for watching to the end. If something is unclear, please write a comment below, click like for support, and activate the bell notification to get the next update video. Good luck, thank you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Let's design together in 2024 and beyond. To display the corner dimension, click the first line and click the second line to intersect the lines.